today, I introduce to you Cherry MX Brown's V2. Woo!
So, a little while ago, I got this email from a certain Cherry MX. Basically, what the email said was, "Hey, come to Germany." And I said, "Oh, no thanks," because I thought I was going to be moving. But it just so happened that I was not moving at that same exact time. So I hit them back incredibly last minute, like, "Oh my gosh, please let me go to Germany." And then they said, "Yeah, okay, we're gonna send you to Germany." So I'm just gonna go to Germany. However, when packing, we had to make some sacrifices. I'm in a Discord chat with just a few important people, and let's just say I'm gonna be meeting up with a couple of them. I'm just gonna go meet some internet friends, you know, just a couple nerds, just a couple nothing big deal, nothing really going on here, nothing that crazy. Whoa, who's that on the radio? Is that Kadeli? Whoa.
Hallo und Milch.
The number one thing that I need to learn how to say is I am allergic to garlic. Let me just show you what that is.
Ich bin allergisch gegen Knoblauch.
Like Knoblauch? I'm gonna die. Now, I'm running late, but also they wouldn't let me check into my flight. So I'm going to arrive at the airport and be completely not sure of if I'm going to be able to check in or not. But anyways, Josie's here. She's driving me to the airport. So shout out Josie. She's the best. So we raced over to the airport as fast as we can, and the line took literally over an hour. And then that little nice lady right there on the right in the purple, she helped us out. She pulled me out of the line and was like, "Hey, are you on a flight coming soon?" And I was like, "Yes, please God, yes, let me check in." And she did. She let me check in. Thank you, lady. I forgot your name, but you're the best. We've got very little time to spare. So I need to go to an S gate, and an S gate is very far away. I also really need to pee. Also, this is my first time traveling internationally by myself, so I was a little bit flustered here. Oh no, I have to get on a train. So our flight got delayed, but it doesn't matter, so we're still good. Finally made it on the plane. It's gonna be 10 hours. Oh no. And then on the plane, my nose decided to bleed like the whole time, and it was wonderful. And then we got to the hotel. Holy moly, nice. Wait, is that a Cherry MX bag? You guys think there's any browns in there? Maybe we should open it up in a second. He never opened it up in a second. Okay, so I took a nap for like literally 3 hours, but it's still very... And now, after taking my 3-hour nap, being incredibly jet lagged, having my nose bleed, not being able to eat any food, and just general malaise, I have a great life. I was then ready to meet all of the rest of the content creators. Wait a second. Who do I see? Hold on. Is this the... Wait, who's switch and who's click?
No, none of that. We don't do that.
No. Oh.
No one switch.
But they exist and they're real. Is that compressed mail? Show us all of your projects.
Ooh, I'm gonna expose everything.
All the deep dark secrets.
Oh, look at them wide angles.
Wait.
Is that a hippo?
Oh my goodness.
I'm seeing you guys on video so
I
much.
know, you're taller than that.
Oh, well, you're
I'm not.
taller than I thought.
Oh.
Hey, what up, gamers? I'm actually going to die because I'm eating a pastry. Check this out. I want this one. Whoa. That's pretty good. And then we got a brief on what we'd be doing today and tomorrow, and some spoilers.
Tomorrow's the big day. We're about to show you guys a few new things.
This table holds the secrets of Cherry MX's future.
Oh my god! Yo!
Oh! Whoa, is that Epic Gamer TF2 enthusiast Hamaji Neo?
Oh.
You guys
Yeah,
can
here's a
mix
message
it
for
up.
all you TF2ers. TF2.
Oh.
Dude.
Hey, you're so buff. What the?
This feels surreal.
Wow. Yeah, so eat one of these and then tell me your favorite Switch. No relation.
I have gum, so that's my
Oh. And then, after our little bit of snacks and meeting everybody, like the Cherry crew and all the other creators, who I'd never met before in person, that was really cool, we decided to hit the town and explore Nuremberg. However, what we quickly realized is that our whole entire day was plotted out for us. everything. And little did we know what they had in store. We've got a whole entourage here, but all the keyboard people are a little bit slow. They need some speed switches. Hey guys, I know this is a keyboard video, but look at this good boy. I thought he was a statue. You know, this view is pretty, but you know what else is pretty?
Glasses.
Hitting the subscribe button on this video. Cheers! POV, Hipyo literally dies.
We lost one.
Bye.
Bye. See you. Bye.
Borb. 5 guys, I can count at least one. We got a bunch of YouTubers and we're all going to church because we're sinning.
Have you seen our clickbait?
Then we were told that tomorrow we were going to be talking to the CEO of Cherry MX. So we all got to hard thinking how we were going to unveil some of Cherry's deepest, darkest secrets. Thanks to Private Internet Access for sponsoring this video. What a long day. Looks like it's time to just watch some anime or something. Oh, let's click that. Wait, what? Oh, it's one simple fix. I click on Private Internet Access, I go to Japan with one click, and next thing you know, bing bong, we're connected. Let me just refresh. And sheesh, it's anime time. Look at all these new shows I can watch. You know, PewDiePie can afford to move to Japan, but with Private Internet Access, I can just bing bong right over there. And look at this, Japanese Google. We did it. Now, what is Private Internet Access? Well, it's a VPN that's 100% open source with public code. It's got server infrastructure in 83 countries. That's more than I can personally count. And guess what? It works with all major streaming services. So you can basically watch whatever show you want that might be region locked. Now, it's available for all platforms. So if you're on Windows, Mac, or a phone, you can use it. If you use my link, which you can find in the description down below, you will get an 82% discount on your Private Internet Access. That's just $2.11 a month, and you'll also get this, an extra 3 months completely free. That also includes their 30-day money-back guarantee and 24/7 customer support. Everything is risk-free for you, so use the link down in the description and sign up for Private Internet Access today. If you watch till the end, here's an extra howdy hey. Howdy hey. So tomorrow we get to talk to the CEO of Cherry MX. Do you have any big plans or questions to ask?
I'm going to bribe him into stopping the production of Terry MX Browns forever.
And then we got some dinner, and the tiredness might have gotten the better of us. What are those faces?
Oh, that pose.
A hero. He's carrying me. Hamaji. More like hero Maji.
We condone all of Glorious's actions.
For legal reasons, this is a joke.
Oh, I got a question, man. Is he married?
Is he married?
Because, you know, I'm single too, and
Okay, so the first day's over, and that was very fun, and also very exhausting, but on to the next day. MX Browns when? Now, day 2 was the day we were all waiting for. It was the day we got to go up and visit the cherry factory, but I couldn't quite shake the feeling like someone was missing. Wow, I get this whole entire table to myself. Whoa, hey, Betty and Jake, how's it going? Good morning.
Good morning.
Oh wow, we've got more visitors to our empty table.
morning.
We're not a lonely family
Nothing like
anymore.
morning, like a bunch of cameras in your face.
So we have to go to Auerbach, Germany, which is 45 minutes away. And guess what? We needed to be there in 20 minutes. But we have to wake up Glarses. We're going on a mission, and our mission is to knock on Glarses' door. Very loudly and aggressively, kind of similar to how my brothers were. Just 5 bros in an elevator,
Really close.
The camera's
6
on.
inches apart for no reason. Oh, there it is.
Is it Cherry MX Brown outside? Glar, where are you?
You say Clark.
Can you confirm that your room is 235? Okay. Okay, we miss you.
He has risen.
Late.
Oh jeez.
So then we hopped on the German Autobahn. I barely know her. I don't drive. I have anxiety driving. We were driving too fast and I hated every second of it. So Germany, slow down. you're not racing yet.
Slow down. You're not racing yet.
And then, finally in the distance, the Cherry MX Factory. Okay, so we are at the Cherry Factory, and I think my goal for today is to find the most expensive keyboard in their headquarters, so we'll see how that goes. Betty, I've got one request. Will you touch grass with me?
I will.
So guys, if you want to get a clear shot with the cherry
Hello, Linus Detective here. Okay, so now today's video, we follow around Glarses and say MX Brown's funny haha for about 4 hours. Now, normally when I see a place with a lot of keyboards, it's just my closet. But in this case, it was the Cherry headquarters. They had so many keyboards, from the oldest keyboard containing a Cherry MX switch to one of the newest. Then I tried to figure out which of them was the thockiest. Which do you think is the thockiest? Leave a comment down below.
You can move
Does
the
it talk?
space bar.
Oh, that's pretty cool,
Big
actually.
them, small them.
That's really cool. The thockiest keyboard at Cherry headquarters? Also, I literally ate whatever 16 ounces times 3 is. Do the math on that. I ate that many of these Haribo cherry gummies. Hi, my name is Squashy Boy.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah.
My name's actually Hipyo.
Tech. Hi, I'm here with Hipyo Tech, and today I'm Squashy Boy, and I'm gonna tell you all about the Cherry Factory.
Howdy, hey.
So,
I'm Maji.
oh, here's
Maji.
Maji,
In
yeah.
a while.
Wait,
I
who's that in the
tell-
background?
Who the hell is that?
Oh shit, it's Taeha.
Wait,
Hi.
wait. And then we got to talk to the Cherry CEO. Oh my gosh.
Welcome to our headquarters. Yeah, we're very happy having you here today and to give you really a lot of insights.
So these were the Cherry guys that gave us the tour and gave us the rundown. We got the CEO, the COO, and the head of the everything, I like to call him, as he just knew literally everything.
The Cherry Speed was based off F1.
Yes.
So what was Cherry MX Brown based off?
This was, I think, a random choice, basically.
Random choice.
These keyboards are older than me, although that's not much of a significant statement because I'm kind of young. Definitely older than Hamaji. He's like 12. And then Hamaji didn't speak to me for the rest of the trip. Secret Cherry MX hallway. Behind one of these doors is MX Brown's too. We won't know which. Oh, maybe this one, but I can't film here.
Bruh. I found them.
He found the MX Brown.
I'm gonna throw them outside.
And then we made our way to the Cherry MX conference room, where people got a little bit too confident with their idea pitches.
Today, I introduce to you Cherry MX Brown's V2.
Hamaji Nepo. These are Cherry MX keycaps. Yeah, so you see this right. I am looking at Cherry MX keycaps, meaning they are making their own die sub keycaps. That's pretty cool. Hopefully it's gonna be promising. I'll take a look at them in the future. Get subscribed. So as you can see from behind me, we are at the Cherry Factory and we are learning a lot about lots of things that I can't tell you about. So take a good look at this table. This table holds the secrets of Cherry MX's future. I also can't even tell you anything about it. So what are your guys' thoughts on that super top secret stuff that we just saw and can't talk about?
Oh,
Yeah.
it's really cool about the secret cool stuff that is
It'll
talked about.
change the
Can't do.
game.
I love all the secret stuff that we can't talk about, am I right,
too
gamers?
can't talk about the stuff, secret things.
Yeah,
Wow.
no
Here,
secret.
talk later? Now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So basically, Gatoron and Cherry are merging.
For legal reasons, this is a joke. The most expensive switches because they required me to go all the way to Germany.
Hey, anybody also MX Browns? Can I trade, please?
Also, we went to the factory where we saw even more secret stuff, and maybe I'll tell you about that if I can. Also, the Q&A with the CEO and the Cherry Factory tour were under NDA, but a little bit of it is in their video on their YouTube channel. Sorry. Here's where they make MX switches, and then here's where they make oxygen in a field. There's not much else to it. It almost looks like West Virginia. Could start singing Country Roads, Take Me Home, but I won't. You're welcome. There's a hill over there, and let's go climb it. Oh, there's some thorns. Ow, ow, ow. Okay, this is probably a bad idea. Ooh. Here's our view. We definitely spent way too long taking photos and gonna miss our dinner reservation, but you only get to go to Cherry once and you get to go to dinner every day, so that's what I say. Sorry, Cherry. So with the day at the Cherry Factory over, we were ready to suit up for some more shenanigans. We went to a traditional place to eat, and I ate a steak to avoid the Knoblauch.
How's the steak?
Steak.
Yeah.
Geez, that was such a great day, you guys. Now it's just time to settle into bed, so that's gonna be pretty cool. Wait. Hold on. What the?